Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can log into your Windows 10 or Windows 11 without providing any password. Like, you don't need to authenticate at all, just smash enter and you're inside the system. First thing first, you need to log in with your administrator account to your Windows 11 system. Then in a search, type settings. In the settings, we are looking for accounts section. You can see it here. So click on the accounts. Then we need to click on your info. In your info, scroll just down here and there it is. We have a Microsoft account. Windows is better when setting and files. Windows is better when settings and files automatically sync, but instead we should click sign in with a local account instead. When we click here, we have a big pink screen. Are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Here, click yes. Then you will need to provide any authentication method that you have right now and just have this screen where you choose your username and password. So just leave it blank, don't hit anything. Click next, and that's the last confirmation before you make a change. So if you are sure that you want to remove any password requirements to log into your system, just click sign out and finish, which is going to restart your computer and the password is not going to be needed anymore.